We're here with not an unboxing, but
an unbagging. It's unbagging a bag. So we have the new Traxxas RC Backpack.
Yes.
So this is more than just the plain old regular backpack, I might have to add.
This is a Traxxas backpack.
Checks out.
Yeah.
So the new Traxxas Backpack has a lot of cool features. It can fit a truck, batteries, tools, water resistant, charger, and a bunch of other cool things.
Yeah.
So we had a whole bunch of people ask if we've seen one, and we haven't seen one until today.
Now
so
we
this is the first one we've got, and then we also have a duffel bag, which we'll do an unbagging on in another episode. So let's rip this open, and let's do it nicely, because I know you're gonna want to keep the bag.
Why?
Okay, well then don't do it. Ah, roar. Big
pipe.
Big pipe. It's actually a lot bigger. It feels really heavy duty though.
It's very sturdy. And
the material.
Yeah, it's got these nice rubber pieces on the bottom, plastic pieces.
So let's like unfold it.
That's a nice looking unit right there. That's big.
So inside of the bag, you're gonna have this flap, and that's gonna be your base. So it's gonna be cardboard, and it has like a nylon covering on it. And that drops down. It has a piece of Velcro, so it actually sticks to the bag.
On this side, we've got a nice storage pouch on top. I think that fits the charger, I believe.
Well, let's check out. We have
and
an
then
easy peek
these
here.
are all for your batteries.
So we have an easy peek
your
plus.
battery is really nice. Oh,
Turns out it checks out.
Oh, look at that. Nice little slots for all your 2 cells and 3 cells.
Oh yeah, that's cool. And then it just Velcros on.
Velcro's on.
That's pretty neat.
Got some zip up pouches here. Oh, that's really nice. Nice and deep too.
Yeah, you're gonna be able to fit quite a few things in there. And it looks like they're using nice fabric holes on the zippers, which is really, really nice to see, and the double zipper on everything.
Zipper, yeah.
And then you're gonna be able to do the same thing on this side. So if you have multiple chargers, you can put that up there. I mean, all of this could be used for tools, other things like that. The nice part Traxxas does boast is everything is going to be waterproof. So the nice part is now you can go outside, take it wherever you want to go. I would still be a little bit hesitant on the charger thing, just because the sides are a little bit more exposed. Like this side, you can see it's exposed. So you might get water in the pouch. So it might not be a bad idea if you are running your truck to put the chargers and some of the batteries inside of there if it starts to rain.
Some nice padded straps on there, and then you've got your chest clamp as well, so if you're carrying a little bit extra load, you strap it
together. And there is going to be padding on the bag itself. So they kind of thought of a little bit of everything. On the picture it does show a TRX4 Defender in there, so we got the new High Trail Sport to put in. Let's see how it fits.
And that'll fit even like a Slash, no problem. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's perfect.
Look at that. So there is a TRX4 High Trail in there. We have a Slash 2 we're going to try
and
to
that's
fit.
the High Trail too,
Yeah, so this is 2.2 with long lengths, so it is a little bit taller than the standard TRX4, so we know if that works. The only thing I'm worried on is the width of the Slash.
I think it'll be good.
Like a glove.
Like a glove.
So 4-wheel short course, 2-wheel short course, you're good there.
Yeah.
So now the question today is, will it fit a mini max?
Oh, that's a tall question.
I think it'll be a little too wide.
I think it'll be. I bet you if you took the wheels off your Max, you could fit it in there. Oh.
Length might get us.
Length might get us. I
No,
don't know.
definitely the width. Yeah, definitely have to take tires off.
Yes.
So then the question is,
but I think the length is pretty close to like a Slash or something.
Oh yeah. So you definitely can fit a mini max in there too. Yeah. So quite a convenient bag, right?
Yeah.
You can fit a lot of stuff in here, and the charger pouches and things like that, you don't necessarily have to use these for the charger. Like I said, you can fit tools. If you want to pick up like a ProTech tool bag, you can also fit the tool bag inside. So you really don't have to worry about that. And I mean, really nice zippers.
Yes.
Lots of Traxxas badging and branding.
Yeah.
Because the top also has Traxxas on it, as well as the front has Traxxas.
I like how square it is.
It really truly is
square.
A big square. But I mean,
rectangle.
That's really, really nice. Here, let's see it. Put it on and see how it looks.
Go and check in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There you go.
That's real nice.
Does look like it fits quite well. If you're a taller person, it fits like perfectly on your back.
Back to school.
Back to school. There you go. So that is the brand new Traxxas RC Backpack. Quite impressed.
Yes.
I was not expecting it to be this big for some reason.
Yeah.
it looked kind of funky in the pictures that I saw too. So it looks really, really good.
Heck yeah.
So Chris is gonna test these out. He's gonna, take them on the trails and do some other stuff.
Throw them down some hills with trucks inside of them, see what happens.
So you mean, well, it's still strapped to your back, so you are also
Oh, I gotta go down the hill too?
Well, that's just kind of where my mind goes.
Yeah,
but yeah, well, on the next video, we will do the unboxing or unbagging on the RC duffel bag from Traxxas as well. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
And let us know what you think about the backpack.
Yeah, throw it down in the comments below. So thank you so much everyone for watching. We really do appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.